Whether you're creating visual content for social media or blog posts, knowing how to convert your PowerPoint slides into image formats can be incredibly useful. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how to convert your PowerPoint slides into images. To save a presentation as images, just open the PowerPoint web. For that you have to log into the office.com and launch the PowerPoint. Then open the presentation you want to download as images. We have one document for the example. After opening the presentation, click on the File tab and then click on the Save As option. And in this, you can click on the Download as Images option. It will say your presentation is ready. You can download the presentation or email a link for the presentation. Just click on the download button and then choose the folder where you want to download the zip file. Actually, it will convert the document in the zip file. Then click on the save button and then go to the folder in which you have downloaded the zip file. Open the zip file, and as you can see, the slides has been converted to images. That's how you convert PowerPoint presentation to images. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.